A terrifying moment shocked hockey fans during the 2026 IIHF Men's World Championship quarterfinal between Team USA and Team Canada. Just over 6 minutes into the first period, Team USA defenseman Ryan Lindgren delivered a massive illegal hit to the head of Canadian star Evan Bouchard. As Bouchard carried the puck across the blue line into the offensive zone, Lindgren stepped up for a huge open ice check. But replay showed Lindgren's shoulder making direct contact with Bouchard's head immediately after the puck was released. The impact was brutal. Bouchard collapsed to the ice and remained motionless for several moments, leaving players and fans stunned inside the arena. Medical staff quickly rushed onto the ice and helped Bouchard to the locker room while concerned teammates watched on. After reviewing the play on video, officials handed Lindgren a 5-minute major penalty for an illegal check to the head along with a game misconduct, ejecting him from the game instantly. Lindgren was furious with the decision and could be seen yelling at the referees and the Canadian bench as he left the ice. Meanwhile,